Um, I hope you're having a good day. So today we're going to look at how do we manipulate or how do we open dicom images. Dicom is a digital imaging and communications in medicine format, meaning just like how we have JPEG or PNG or images, that you see across medical images come in dicom format. Extremely important to know how we can sort of use them because we're going to be useful to make models or useful to say make machine learning models, etc. So on and so forth, right? So I'm going to start by, so here I have my collab environment. So this is your Google Collaboratory Notebook, and we're going to first import the dicom file. And I've started this notebook a little earlier, and you're going to find this notebook. It's right around here. Yep. And on the left, you should be able to see the N2D. These are the dicom files here, right? I've just kept 3 dicom files, and I'm going to just do two things, which is first import them, and second is just open and read them. So let's get started. So I've mounted my drive. Not a useful step right now because these are on my runtime. The first thing I will do is I'm going to install my PyDicom file. So that's and the way you want to install files in Collab notebooks is pip install PyDicom, right? Once I install that package, so it says successfully installed. For those of you who don't have it, just put like a hash, exclamation, and pip is yes a small package that installs other packages within Python, and you're going to get PyDicom, right? So the function or the file that you want install is PyDicom. That has very interesting properties on manipulating dicoms. And we're going to import matplotlib. Matplotlib, as you know, is a very very helpful file that has interesting properties to visualize files within your entire ecosystem. Visualize Seaborn is another one. Visualization is incredibly important because you want to see how your data sets look, how your files look, how your videos look, so on and so forth. So I'm going to say that. And second is I'm going to import PyDicom, and I really don't know this, so just get rid of that. So my third one is PyDicom, right? So I'm going to run this one. Once I run that, so since I have just one file right now that I want to open and display, I'm going to say image path is equal to n2d underscore 0001 dot dcm, and then I'm going to say ds. Ds is the name of a file, so I'm going to specify my file path, specify ds, a variable as the as pydicom dot dcm read and image path. That's just the syntax, right? And the way I want to sort of open this dicom file is ds.pixelarray, right? So maybe you should just go and try this out. Can we read the next file, right? Next DCM file. So yes, so let's try that. So the way I want to do that is, so let's assume that was ds1. So I'm going, I'm going to make this as ds2. So ds1, that was, and then I'm going to say this is pydicom dot dcm read image path. Okay, 1 second. So I'm going to make this one, and I'm going to make this is 2. Now what is my 2? So if I look at that, the other file is actually n2d dot dc, right? Now, and that's it. So plt dot I am show ds2 dot pixel array, and that should hopefully be showing. Yep, there you go. And just for the doctors and the clinicians who are in the room, let's look at this dicom file on an online image viewer. So I'm just using an online viewer. So most of the dicom files can be only viewed by a pack system. So I just find this. I found this online. Let's select the file. So let's select n2d. So here's the file, here's the viewer, and here's the file, and this is how our collab's sort of showing that, right? So there you go. So this is how you can actually open and view dicom files in your collab environment. Same thing applies for Jupyter environment. Thank you.